have made a gaming channel named as Faz Beamer Gaming. I post gaming videos over there with great funny commentary, so make sure to subscribe that and hit the bell icon as well, and you'll get the link in the description and in the I button also. Go and check out please guys. So guys, special thanks to SRM Tata for helping me in making of this review. I'll provide all the contact details in the description. I hope you'll go over there and check out the cars. And now let's start with the cinematics of this car.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do the review of Tata Tiago. Now this is the toppest variant XZ Plus, and if you will see the headlamp, so here you get halogen headlamp, there is the indicator unit as well, and you get the piano black finish grille, and the chrome line is here, and here is the Tata logo. Here is the halogen fog lamp with this chrome tip as well, and this is the overall front look of the car. Now let's get to the side. So if you will move to the side, so you will see that it has so many piano black element like there in the alloy wheel and the ORVM also. If you will see the alloy wheel, the size of the alloy wheel is 175/60 R15, and these are decent size. These are the diamond cut dual tone alloy wheels with silver and piano black finish. Here is the ORVM along with this indicator, and this is electrically adjustable. And in the driver door you do not get any type of request sensor. You have to open the car from here only, and here you get blackened B pillars, so that is great also. This is the rear look of the car. Here are the normal halogen tail lamps. These are the bulbs along with these bulbs, and here you get Tiago badging with this space given which looks premium, and this is the Tata logo. From here you can open the boot. This is the reverse parking camera, and here you get reverse parking sensors also. This bumper is finished in dual tone to reduce the visual bulk. Now let's see the overall rear look. So it's something like this. Let's go to the boot. So if you want to open the boot, you have to put the key inside like this and open it like this. It is opened. The amount of boot space I will write over here, but here you get the partial tray. The loading lip is a bit high, but it's okay. Here you get some kind of storage space. Now I think it is visible to you. Here you get the spare tire, which is a normal tire. It is not opening right now somehow, but yeah, it is a spare tire, and this partial tray can be uplifted like this to increase the boot carrying capacity. Now let's get to the interior of the car. But before that I want to show you that if you want to close the boot, you can close it from here like this, and you get here rear wiper, and these are the defogger. Here you get the high mount stop lamp also. This is the part of aftermarket accessory, this piano black wing, but it looks so dope. Now let's open the rear door of the car. For that I have to unlock it from the key like this, and this is the rear door of the car. It has dual tone finish along with the black color and the beige color, and the door handle is finished in chrome. It looks very good. Here is the lock and unlock button also, and this is the power window switch. Here is some storage space. This is the tweeter, and here you get a bottle holder as well, and this is the speaker of the car. Now sitting space is decent, but if you see inside, so here you do not get any kind of adjustable headrest, neither the 60/40 split seat. That is kind of bad thing, but let's sit inside the car. So space is decent in this car. My height is 5'6", and I am getting this much of leg room and this much of knee room also, and headroom is kind of lacking somehow. It is like this, but under thigh support is decent as well. Here you get a bottle holder. This is a grab handle, but you do not get any kind of hook over here. Same is the case here. The hump is great over here, but that's okay. If you want to see the front dashboard from the rear, so it looks like this. Now this is the driver side door. It is finished in dual tone also. It has this black treatment along with the beige treatment as well, and this door handle is finished in piano black. And here you get the window child lock switch. These are the power window switch. Here is the bottle holder, and this is how the cabin looks from outside. If you want to see the seat, so the driver seat is height adjustable. You can adjust the height like this. Now let's get inside the car and then talk. Before getting inside, I want to show you that here you get the bright blue treatment along with this chrome tip, which looks nice. This is the AC vent, and here you get the chrome tip if you want to see it. Yeah, this is something like this. Here is some storage space. These are the pedals, and this is the bonnet opening lever. Now let's sit inside the car. You do not get any kind of keyless entry. You have to put the key inside the car to access. Now right now I'm sitting inside this Tata Tiago. It feels kind of premium. Let me just turn on the ignition of the vehicle. So it gives a full swipe up. You get all LED. Here is the digital speedometer. This is the LED tachometer also, and here you get the fuel information. This is the steering wheel, the flat bottom treatment. This is the piano black finish over here. Here are the controls related to the audio. No cruise control in this car, but this steering wheel is adjustable. This is height adjustable, no reach adjustable, so that is okay. But here you get the headlight adjustments. Not the adjustment, but the control. Here are the wiper controls. This is the music system, and it kind of feels basic, but yeah, the touch response is decent as well. Here you get the AC vents. This is the hazard lamp switch. The AC vents get a chrome treatment also, and here is kind of a space to keep your stuff. And now let's do the audio check. The audio quality of the car kind of feels basic, but yeah, it is good as such. Here is the piano black finish. There you get some controls of the car. This is the fog lamp switch, and this is to lock and unlock the car. Here are the AC controls, and yes, you get this automatic climate control also. And under that you can see there are the charging ports. Here is the USB charging port. This is, I think, the dummy aux port, but here you get 12V charging socket also. This is the 5-speed manual transmission. And this car gets a reverse parking sensor also. So let's test it. Yeah, it is kind of this, and it gets adaptive guidelines also. That is great as well. Here you get 2 bottle holders, and here is some storage space. This is to keep your bottle. And let's see the driver side sun visor. So it just gets a ticket holder, and here is the mic if you want to see that. There is no light, that is kind of bad, but here you get the day and night adjusting RVM is the light, and these are the LED. That is kind of good. And this is the passenger side visor, and it gets a vanity mirror also, so that is good. Let's check the glove box of the car. You have to press this button, and it gets a slow motion effect as well. I hope now you are not able to hear the wind noise. And this is kind of a tray treatment. You can keep your stuff here also. And here you get the cooled glove box. That is kind of good. You can see over here there is the switch to open it. Yeah, from here air comes out. So that is all about this car. And here are the tweeters. Okay, so guys, that was all from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That is the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop.